Dude, let's try these beers.
So a while ago, I made a pineapple coconut porter. And out of the 5-gallon batch, I split it into two, and I put 2.5 gallons in a 2.5-gallon keg. I had soaked oak chips in rum, and then I let it sit on those oak chips for approximately 3-4 months. It's been sitting in my keezer for approximately the last 2 months. I've been trying not to drink it because I knew I had to do this. I mean, I've had some of it, but I knew I had to do this. I had to do this comparison from the original porter. I took a couple bottles and capped them, filled them up and capped them off and put them in my keezer. So I would have them here for this because the keg is now gone on that original porter. So if we look back, the original porter came out at 5.3%. I had added approximately a pint, probably a little less than a pint of rum, and it was a vanilla rum with the oak chips, and I dumped the entire thing into the porter, into the keg to let it age. So I calculated out, and it should be now at about 6.5% alcohol. So again, like I said, I've had a bunch of it. I still have some left. I'll probably give the rest of this away because I need the space. But I do want to compare them. So I have the two here. So this one here in my right hand is the original porter. And then this one here in my left hand is the aged porter with the rum and oak chips. Color-wise, identical. This one is a little bit flat, the one that was in the bottle. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it just went in there flat. I'm not really positive on that. This one had a good head when I poured it, but it's been sitting here for a little bit. So, but it's still got a nice tan head. You can definitely smell the rum on this one and a little bit of the oak chips. It's actually smelling a little boozy. The original porter is really good. You're getting some chocolate with this. And you're definitely getting that coconut. It's some nice roastiness on that one. So now the aged one that was in the rum and aged with rum and oak chips. You can taste the oak. You're getting that. It's almost like a drying effect. You can definitely taste the rum. It is definitely a boozy taste. Be honest, I'm not liking it. I think if I do this again, or if I do anything similar to this, I will drain off the alcohol and just put in the soaked oak chips. I think, at least in this version, and I probably shouldn't have used a coconut rum. So I used Malibu rum, and it's also a coconut rum. I think it's just a little bit too much. I believe that like I said, I should just have, dumped out the rum portion of it, or, saved it for something else. And then just put the oak chips in. I think that would have been better. They actually were oak cubes, but it's good. It's drinkable. I just don't like the booziness of it. But when I did make this, I said I would do a comparison. I finally got around to it. It's been sitting downstairs for a while, and I've moved most of my stuff up to another room here in the house. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but my 3D printer's going, making something right now, and hopefully it's not too loud, that it's being picked up by the microphone. But, you know, we got some other things coming. Currently got something fermenting right now. I know this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to touch base real quick. And I will put the original video as a link here in the end screen. And if you want to take a look at that, you can. Go to my website also. I-make-beer.com. And it's the hyphen, not the underscore. But the link will be also in the description below. But I've got some blogs in there, a little bit more review on some of the beers that I've made. There's also links to my YouTube channel and a lot of the videos that I have there. And there's also a link to my merchandise store, which you can also link on the description below. But there's some other things there on the website also. So if you want to check that out, I'd be more than happy to have you do that. Also, you know, like and subscribe. Got to keep the channel going. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. We'll be back for the next one. And go Yankees. We'll catch you guys later.